The cell cycle is the process that cells undergo to grow, to replace old or damaged cells, or to heal. The cell cycle includes interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. Interphase is the first part of the cell cycle. It is a period of cell growth and is the part of the cell cycle that takes the most time. There are 3 parts to interphase: 1, G1, 2, S phase, and 3, G2. During G1, the cell grows and the cell does its job. During S phase, the DNA replicates, and during G2, the cell is prepped for cell division. Mitosis is the main part of cell division. It is when the cell actually divides. There are 4 stages of mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase is when the DNA condenses and the chromosomes become clearer to see. The nucleus starts to deteriorate and the spindle fibers begin to form. Metaphase is when all the chromosomes in the cell align in the center of the cell and the spindle fibers are attached. Anaphase is when the spindle fibers pull the chromosomes into and pull them to the opposite sides of the cell. Telophase is when the spindle fibers start to stretch the cell and bring the sister chromatids with them. Cytokinesis is the process when the cytoplasm between the areas of the spindle fibers and the sister chromatids begins to deteriorate and turns into 2 new cells that are the same as the original cell. Meiosis 1 is very similar to mitosis, except for the fact that in prophase 1, chromosomes undergo a process called crossing over, in which the 2 chromosomes exchange some genetic information, increasing genetic variation. Meiosis 2 is almost identically similar to Meiosis 1, except for the fact that 1, it skips interphase 2, and 2, there is no crossing over involved. After mitosis, 2 cells are produced. They are genetically the same, the type of reproduction is asexual, and the type of cell that it occurs in is a somatic cell. The end result of meiosis makes 4 cells. They are genetically different, the type of reproduction is sexual, and it occurs in reproductive cells. 2 similarities between these processes are they both create new cells and they both follow the same processes. 2 differences between these processes are meiosis goes through a process called crossing over, which mitosis does not, and meiosis goes through each process twice, whereas mitosis only goes through them once. The purpose of mitosis is to create identical somatic body cells to replace or renew old or damaged cells that are located in the body. The purpose of meiosis is to create new and unique sex cells in order for reproduction and to create a new organism.